ngarang Senapati district ki Tafau village the Kuki gi yum sing mai tha ki badugi police nu yeng sin ba lak pada Kuki sing amu na ki bagi saktam amane haba video 40 sama social media ra viral oire kuki
You have to understand, we are coming here to support you. You are victims, okay?
Yeah, why do you create the problem?
You are creating
You are creating! You are the one! We teach we don't speak English. Why do you say abandon home when we are many people here? Why do you say abandon home? From before!
I cannot hear you.
You say abandon home here. Why?
Why? What is this? What is this?
Why is this? What is this? What is this?
Why are you shouting, man?
We think that we are uneducated.
What? What is the problem?
What is the problem? You create the problem. When we talk slowly, you never listen. What is the That's the reason we come here.
That is why we are coming.
What is your problem? Why do you say abandon home?
We are coming here. Okay, relax. Unnecessary issue will be escalated. Okay.
Blackmail. Blackmail. What is blackmail? You are blackmail. When do we?
See one thing. Now our main concern is in the broad daylight, in the presence of CRPF, how can they come and burn the house? That is our question. So, do you have any answer for that?
We will call the company commander.
Until the company commander came, we will not disperse from here.
Yes. No one. यहाँ से कोई भी नहीं जाएगा यहाँ का जो इंचार्ज है जब तक वो नहीं आएगा ये जो वो नहीं जाएगा
Din dahare, will be din dahare, in the broad daylight. Even if night, we can accept somehow that due to the lapse of security and this and that, we can accept that. But in the broad daylight, something happened here. That is unacceptable in any form. We have many things to do. We have to file the PIL against that particular officer who is in charge of that. But you दिन दहाड़े ऐसा कोई आ सकते मीडिया जुड़ा हुआ है बुलाओ मीडिया को भी बुलाओ
This guy is the one who tried to shoot a civilian.
मीडिया को भी बुलाओ
Amaromdana Wangjing Turel the Patharaba Asiwaksang Ama Saru Polang when a Tautharakri, Loina Asiwaksang and Sinupi Saktam Mali have a loina. Social media in the video footage of photo loina, Mafam Kiamada, Viral Oire Sandurakli, Adomaku, Hosumaki in the Sapsanas, Lake Hidraba Asiwaksang, a sea, Kanagino have Sapsana Kamangamdri, Makataba update, Miampunang Aminasi. Hoti Militana Yemen ye Al Makad, Misal Kapsin the Meetei Hatkhre Kontra and Sokri. Yemen mapangal kana lariba Houthi militants singna laiba adugi Red Sea Port City ama oiriba Al Makha Masad nauna misal kapsinduna amadi drone sizinuna landaki bada miyoi tere sireri Yemen gi nungsup thangba samudra khongban de Iran sagatpa Houthi militants singna mamang na misal kapsinduna miyoi taramatoi harkraba matung pungkun ga mari gi manungda amughana Al Makha misal kapsin na miyoi teret ado Hatkhre Houthi militants singna ngarang numidungda matungda Al Makha masumasi commercial port landa sataduna ama ata thon create Yemen gi armed forces so ngarang Houthi militants singna nahongna landa rakhibada military personnel mariama so misam ohum halaba matung kuntrana aso open nang khiari aso open nang liba miyoi singna du ayamana misam ni haina Yemen lalmina phungtokri Houthi militants singna thajilakhi ba drone taraga matho Yemen lanmi gi air defense nanga thoki hari Houthi militants singna kapsilakwa ballistic missile anisu samudra ta tasinki baga loinana makhoina apamba target panba ngamkhiti hari Houthi gi makhada leiba Al Mashira TV da thatorakpa footage amada Houthi militants singna Al Makha tamna ballistic missile kya kapsinba amasum drone sing sijinaduna landab ki saktam sing thatorakhi Houthi military gi wangang loi Saya Sarina Makoina Satakibo operation adu yaudi Saudi Lanmi Singi Lepama Sukusu Kulai Tampam Sing the Atamna target Tautuna Landaki Hari amaga mateng pangnaba manaba khunai mathok tai tis brinda lamdam asigi sothaduna laidiba miyoi singbu singkhatpiduna manaba khunai ama samgatpa mathok te hena ye school asigi intending candidate thanauzum brindana phongdokri Imphal West ki langjing da leiba ho form na sungzapam loduna laidiba angang singi taraga truk supamapo common amadi blessing day gi thoram da magna wapam asi phongdokhi bani home asigi angang da ikai khumna ba utpa hoina tuan ma cultural program kaya ga loinana pangtokhi ba thoram aduda thanauzum brindana hai mayum mai kei leitaba amadi mama mapa oibisingna intokpiraba punsi haibisi khwaidigi tono punsi oiribani maru oina nauna mama mapa kaina khibegi maisa adu mahaki mafam da su lairibani adumapu lamdam asida sakhatpa khunai ma oigi hairabadi sothana lairibasingbu singkhatpiduna manaba khunai ma sema mathoktai loinana Manipur gi oina ngalingai matamda lairamba tola tarabasingi masingdagi kumja English nganiga kungo humdigi tholakliba irang asina maram oiraga amukki hena masing thingamdana hengalakni asigumba phibam amada lakpa haibisi lamdam asida afaba laingak leitabigi khudam oibedana tana miyoibisinggi marakta thak khenabigi miyeng thamlakpa asina asokba maramam oiribani maram aduna asigumba phibam asi kohanabagi dama lamdam asigi lairiba sotharabasingbu hiram khudimakta social security bibamadi afaba lengalon ma lehanba haibisi yamnamak tangai phadi haina magna makhatana phongdokhi amaramda home asigi founder APJ Abdul Kalam National Awardee Case Nilbir Nahai home asida lairiba khudimak mahakna poksaba masa amagumna yokpi thakpiduna mai masing phajana tamanana ba hona badana tana hairiba angang singa sigi karigum awaba lerakpa matamnasu mekei digi angam bathakta men khana ba honari amadi home asida lingkhat khiba numit adubu ningsingduna mafam asida lairiba angang singa sigi mapokumon gi thoram ama oina nga sigi thoram asi pangthokpane hanesu magna makhatana phongdokhi Deputy CM na lusing balay nga kimihut sing na sanapati sa tuna UNC gi onakiba demand fangdriba phawa economic blockade handokloy have UNC gi wapam Deputy Minister Losi Dikhona Lusingba Home Minister Gobidas Konthauzama masum MLA Mapan gi kangbugama senapati de satuna United Naga Council UNC gi mute singonakre blockade handokna ba wari sanakre naga taru Hatkhre justice phanganba yaona UNC na thamkiba demand mari thabak to onthok triba phawba economic blockade handokloi haina UNC gi makedigi lengak ta khangalakre ngarang ayuk pung 13 makairum tabadu waidigi hauraga senapati district headquarter gi SM sa complex to pangtoki bami phamadu sarona pung anirom sataki Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho Home Minister Gobidas Konthauzam lainga ki wangangloi oiriba hairok SC gi MLA Tes Radesham thangi SC gi MLA T Rovindro Wangjing Tentha gi MLA P Brojen Khetrigau SC gi MLA Nur Hassan Singai SC gi MLA Khasim Basum Karong SC gi MLA Je Kumosa Tamelo SC gi yauna maru bu apun kya makhana kheba pawsna makhatana su phongdorakli